All right, Patrick, on this problem, you have on top a trinomial that's divided by a binomial. What you're going to do is you are going to factor if you are using paper pencil. The reason the problem says n is not equal to -1 is because if you replace on the bottom n with -1, it would give you 0 on the bottom, and you cannot divide something by 0. Now, the factoring on the trinomial is a little bit different because it's kind of in a weird order. Normally, our squared term would be first. So the first thing that we're going to have to do is we're going to have to rewrite the problem. -2n squared plus 1n plus 3. When factoring a trinomial, you cannot have the quadratic term, the first term, negative. So you're going to have to factor out a -1 from each of these. And that's going to give you -1 times 2n squared minus 1n minus 3. The trinomial that you had is the type where you are going to slide and divide. So we are going to slide that 2 and multiply. N squared minus 1n minus 6. And then we want to find what two numbers multiplied together is equal to -6, but when added together is equal to -1. And we're going to type into Desmos -6 divided by x1 in our table. And it's going to give us the combination of numbers. And the combination testing. I do not want Texas. I don't know why Texas shows up on this, but it does. I'm not too far from being done. Okay. And I want to type in here, more, honey. All right, how can I get this on? All right, why can I not get this to show? There it was. Trash can. And browser. Desmos, Virginia, graphing. Yep. All right, it's not going to take me long, okay? On Desmos, as you can see, I have got the problem typed in, and because the problem contained the variable n, we have to set the slider. So I'm going to click on the slider, and I'm going to make that be 2. And it's going to give me a value of -1. So when I type in the answers, we have 3 minus 2n squared, and that is equal to -5. That doesn't work. We're going to do 4 minus 2n squared, and that gives me -4, so that does not work. We're going to do 3 minus 2n, which was the first one, and I get -1, and that matched. And then I'm going to do the last answer, which was 2n minus 3. And that does not match. So from Desmos, the one that actually matches the original equation is 3 minus 2n. So by typing into Desmos, we can come up with a solution to that problem. Hopefully this will help. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.